Purpose of Mass Airflow Sensor, MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures incoming air to optimize fuel delivery, enhance vehicle performance, reduce emissions, and maintain a smooth engine idle. Location. The MAF sensor's location varies by vehicle make and model, but is typically found between the air filter box and the throttle body in the engine's intake system. Certainly. Here's the riddle with the question. I have a belt, but I'm not worn around your waist. I help your engine breathe better. What am I? Feel free to share your answer in the comments below, and let's see who can solve it. Here are common symptoms of a bad mass airflow sensor. 1. Check engine light. An illuminated check engine light, with error code P0101, often indicates a potential MAF sensor issue. 2. Poor fuel economy. A faulty MAF sensor can lead to incorrect air-to-fuel ratios, resulting in reduced fuel efficiency and increased consumption. 3. Rough idling. Inaccurate air measurement by the MAF sensor may lead to an unstable or rough engine idle. 4. Increased emissions. Higher emissions can result from a faulty MAF sensor, potentially causing emission test failures. 5. Hard starting. Difficulty starting, especially in cold conditions, may be due to a faulty MAF sensor. To test the MAF sensor's functionality while the engine is running, you can disconnect its connector. If the engine continues to run, it may indicate a faulty sensor. If the engine stalls or dies when disconnecting the sensor, it suggests the sensor is likely functioning correctly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.